Howdy Aggies, Gage Duffin here. I'm just your average Aggie, doing my thing, going to school, learning stuff, meeting people, and these days, I'm the host of Aggies Underground, keeping my eyes peeled for the obscure and unseen places within the purview of USU. Thus far, I've fed a baby cow, made my own chocolate bar, yelled from the top of the bell tower, and we've just scratched the surface of the hidden gems that this place has to offer. All right, Aggies, by popular request, today we're going literally underground here at USU. Let's go. I'm standing on a ventilation shaft, directly above one of the many underground steam tunnels which travel for 2 miles under campus. The tunnels are home to an incredibly complex system of steam pipes, all branching from the USU Central Energy Plant. The reason you aren't sweating in class is because of this system. It's basically just a giant centralized AC on steroids. Y'all want to see what's going on down here? I'm meeting Reed Olson down here. He's the manager of the Central Energy Plant here at USU. While most of us are up in our classrooms, he's down here in the tunnels, checking on the pipes and doing regular maintenance to make sure everything's working properly. Some sketchy noises down here. Nice to meet you, Reed. I'm Gage.
Good to meet you, Gage.
Thank you for having me here today. I appreciate it. What exactly is going on down here?
So we're providing you heating and cooling here on campus. We have steam on the one side of the tunnel that provides the heating and chilled water on the other side that we provide cooling for the campus. So this stuff is fairly new, and we do have some tunnels that are over 100 years old.
Oh, wow.
That we are still using today.
Oh, okay. I don't have to go in there, right?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, no. But, yeah, we can go in there.
Go ahead.
Is it unlocked?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Oh, I hate this. I mean, okay, first impression, it's not as creepy, but initially opening the door. So yeah, you said it's as old as the university, right?
Yeah, this was built when animal science and geology were built, which are two of the original buildings built here. This is the interesting part I like, is this is actually an old wood pipe that used to be held together with just wire wrapping.
Yeah, what would happen in the event of a pipe bursting?
Oh. In our other tunnels, we actually did have our chilled water line break, having 2,000 gallons per minute come down the tunnel. But the tunnel was so big, it only got like 4 inches deep. But it was.
So where does all of the water come?
So our chilled water comes from the plant originally, starts out there, but we've got a 2 million gallon tank under Legacy Field that we charge up at night and use that chilled water to cool campus during the day. And just like in a cave where you got leaks, you get stalactites, and you got the ones coming up from the bottom.
That's kind of cool. We're out of here. Ugh. Oh, Lord. I know where I am. I used to live right there. We should just leave it open, right? Don't want any of the new freshmen getting any ideas.
No.
Thank you so much for taking me down there to read. I really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. We love to show off our fine facilities here and help people understand how much work goes underground as well above ground.
Absolutely. There you have it, Aggies. We finally went to the tunnels you've been asking for us to do so much. It was $1 million experience I wouldn't pay a dime to do again. Thanks for watching.